Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp font color in chat and status. It's really simple and easy. For this, you have to download the application first. So go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and simply download this application Blue Words. After downloading, just tap on this open here. Now tap on this cross button because we are going to start a free trial. Then simply tap on this allow here, allow again, and then tap on this allow limited access. So after allowing the permissions, you will see this kind of interface. So now you have to select this text here, as you can see here blue word. Now you have to type your text here, like I'm going for this demo here, and then you can simply tap on this copy button, as you can see here. After that, go to your WhatsApp application and then go into any chat and simply paste your text here. And now, as you can see, your font has been changed, and you can repeat this process as many times, or you can do this on your WhatsApp status as well. I hope. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change WhatsApp font color in chat and status. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.